forgot to rain today, so the lads have dropped me off again at Llandegla to go and do some bridleways. But it ended very badly indeed. Trail and these bridleways are going to take me to Ponty Bodkin. Got done for speeding there, 24 and a 20. Gutted. I'm going over there somewhere. There's a trail that climbs up it. Bridleway. Oh Jesus. Slippy. Ow! The hell was that? As usual, it's much steeper than it looks on the camera. And I'll post the route on my plotter route page. Ooh, I really like this. Duck time. Don't hit that. Oh wow. It's exactly my kind of path. This is goddamn huge. I can see a viaduct there. I don't think it's in use. It looks like it's closed off at the end. There's so many tiny little Welsh villages you'd never know about. That mirrored sign totally been bought out by a Londoner. There we go. Oh wow. How far can it keep going down for? Do they think I'm going to go through that and over there? I'll be using the bridge. Without the mud, I might have had to go. No. I mean, come on, how nice is that? Right then, wish me luck. I'm good at the moment. Everything's going well. Look at this. I'm spinning the back wheel. Oh my god. The radio's playing up. It's been epic that. Bridleway. That was hard going. 50% of my energy was going into spinning the back wheel. I think I must go underneath that bridge there. Yeah, I think that's definitely it. Greased it, everything in all the right places, still squealing. Welcome to Llanefydd. I might have said that correctly, who knows? The villages that time forgot. This way. Uh-oh, looks like a hill. Right, it's steep that, there we go. Don't go into his house. Look at that. Isn't that lovely? No matter where you put the bike, it's always just in the way. There's me saying to the lads, don't worry, I won't come back muddy. Well, I'm liking this trail a lot. Oh, dead bird. What idiots have come down here on bikes. I'm climbing again. Got it away. I'm just spinning the wheel. Look at that. Doesn't that mean rain? I mean, no wonder. Look at the back tyre. The worst bit is I'm only putting like a third of my power into climbing. The rest of it's just digging mud. Holy shit. What a gorgeous trail. Look at it. Oh look, I feel it, the mud hitting my legs as I'm going along. flying off the tyres. Definitely close that gate. You'd have all those sheep on here. Which way would you go? Just like gun it through there, or go through the rut they've already made, or make some new ones? Lovely, good choice. What a view for such a beautiful trail. There's no way you'd be climbing up that. Oh. Oh. Great big derelict house. Let's have a little nose here. Jesus. Look at that, an abandoned farmhouse. All the tales it could tell. I'm only in Wales, but I feel like I've discovered a lost Aztec city. Oh no, I'm going to struggle here. I'm spinning already. There we go, back into civilization. That's actually Manchester in the distance. See, it was a bridleway. This must be Pontybogkin, obviously. There's the chimney you go past as you climb up through it. Uh-oh, don't get too much speed. See, that's what happens. Pontybogkin, hey? Okay, into the sun now. It's going to be grim for the camera. Now this is a perfect trail. Normally I'd find it a bit boring, but after climbing all the way up there, I'm appreciating the relaxed ride. This trail really goes through it. I feel like I'm in jungle. This computer is an absolute godsend. I'm loving it. I'd have my phone out about 100 times normally. Just take it slow. There's no rush. I'm looking for the best way home now. Looks like a lovely trail, but it is a footpath. So, no. I hope there's a bridleway at the end of this road. This is a good going down, I think. I won't be going up again. But on OS maps it says this is a bridleway. Yep, I've checked, it is a bridleway. There's just no sign. Oh, very nice. I've just realised I am going back up again. Oh, well. Got plenty of battery left. Oh my god. Well, this is fun. I doubt the camera will be doing this trail justice. Perfect technical descent. Oh yeah, look at this. And back to the viaduct. Change of plan. I've just heard that Brian's bike's broken down, so I'm going to go the scenic way on the way back. Countdown to the disaster begins. I'm going to ride this for a little bit and then rejoin the road. Seriously, this is a bad idea. It's lonely. I didn't want to slog at the end of the ride. And that is the end of that. I've just ripped my derailleur off. Oh no. Oh Jesus. I'm supposed to be doing a ride on Tuesday. Brian's bike's broken. Mine's just broken. What the hell? How did that happen? Look at that. Oh my god. I did buy another one. I'm glad I didn't fit it. Okay, take it easy in case it rattles loose and causes even more carnage. It's rattling around a bit, but I think it'll be okay. I'll be alright. One dead push bike. One absolutely lovely place to be stuck. Even though it's just about to start to rain on me. It'll be one of those days, isn't it? Oh no! Said it wasn't going to rain once today. It's alright, they're on the way to come and save me. If they can find the place. Well, thanks for watching. There mightn't be a video next week because it takes 2 weeks for Brian's motor to get fixed.